In a serene village nestled between rolling hills and ancient forests, there lived a wise elder known for his profound understanding of life. Villagers sought his counsel on matters both mundane and profound. One day, a young and curious villager approached the elder seeking advice on building meaningful connections. The elder, sitting under the shade of an old banyan tree, began to share a tale passed down through generations. He spoke of 4 habits that, when cultivated, could attract any person into one's life. In the heart of the village, there lies a mystical garden where the rarest flowers bloom. The elder began. Legend has it that those who possess the key to this garden can unlock the secrets of human connection. The first habit, the elder explained, was the art of sincere listening. He recounted the tale of a skilled archer who aimed for the target but never hit the mark until he learned to listen to the whispers of the wind and the rustling of leaves. In relationships, the elder emphasized, one must listen not only with ears but with the soul, understanding the unspoken words beneath the surface. The second habit, the elder continued, is the dance of empathy. In a neighboring village, there lived a weaver who could create the most intricate patterns. She weaved not only threads but also stories, stepping into the shoes of those who would wear her creations. To attract others, one must empathize deeply, weaving understanding into the fabric of connection. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow upon the village, the elder shared the third habit, the lantern of positivity. He spoke of a humble lantern maker whose creations illuminated even the darkest corners. The villagers, drawn to the light, found solace and joy in its glow. To attract others, the elder advised, radiate positivity. Be a lantern in the lives of those around you, dispelling darkness with your warmth and optimism. The final habit, the elder declared, was the river of generosity. He spoke of a river that quenched the thirst of all who approached, regardless of their journey. In the river of life, be generous with your time, love, and kindness. Allow your actions to flow selflessly, nurturing the seeds of connection and friendship. As the tale unfolded, the young villager absorbed the wisdom embedded in each habit. The elder concluded, remember, these habits are the key to the mystical garden, where the rarest connections blossom. Cultivate sincere listening, dance with empathy, radiate positivity, and let the river of generosity flow through you. Motivated by the profound tale, the young villager embarked on a journey to embody these habits. In time, the village noticed a transformation. The art of sincere listening allowed the young villager to forge deep connections. The dance of empathy fostered understanding and compassion. The lantern of positivity illuminated even the gloomiest days, and the river of generosity nurtured bonds that withstood the tests of time. The village flourished as the young villager became a beacon of inspiration. Others were drawn to the transformative power of the 4 habits, and the mystical garden flourished with vibrant connections. As the elder had foreseen, the young villager's journey not only attracted people but also cultivated a harmonious community. The village became a tapestry woven with threads of sincere listening, empathy, positivity, and generosity. And so, the tale of the 4 habits echoed through the village, inspiring generations to come. As the banyan tree stood witness to the ever-changing seasons, the wisdom of the elder continued to guide those who sought the key to the mystical garden of meaningful connections.